Hello, welcome to cuisine. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite Korean side dishes, dubu, which is braised tofu with soy sauce. Tofu is already well-known diet food, healthy. So if you're interested, you might like today's recipe because it's so simple with simple ingredients. And before start cooking, I'd like to show you three common tofu products I use a lot. These three are the tofu we use most in Korea. And this one, we use this most for soup, for the banchan side dishes, or just tofu dish itself. And this one we call sundubu, softer than the first one. And we use this for making sundubu jjigae kind of stew. And the last one, dubu, the softest tofu among these three. You can eat this like pudding with different kinds of sauce. To make braised tofu, I'm going to prepare some kind of broth. Charung, dashima means chopped kelp, dried one. You take out some pieces. I will use 5 this time. It's already cleaned, so you can just use it. We actually use this dried kelp for making broth for the soup. Anyway, put in the water and soaked roughly 30 minutes. While you're waiting for this, I will start to prepare the ingredients. First, tofu. Cut like this. I wouldn't cut too thin this time because I need to pan fried first and then braised for a while, so thicker than 1 centimeter. After you cut, put on the tray like this and sprinkle the salt a little bit. It makes tofu foam. While you're waiting for tofu get ready to cook, you can prepare other ingredients. Onion chopped like this. Well, you can chop as you like, but I'm doing like this time. And green onion also need to be chopped like this. After 30 minutes of soaking, you can take it out the kelp, and you can tell the difference. The water became slightly slippery and changed the color. I'll make sauce here right away. 1/2 tablespoons of chili powder, but it's quite optional. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. And 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, mirim or masul, but it's also optional. Now it's time to cook tofu. Just heat the oil and just fry. But after you put it on the pan like this, just leave it for a while, like 2 or 3 minutes roughly, but you have to check the bottom part. The stove is not that high, but medium high. something like this, and if your color change like this, well, the other side also need to be fried, pan fried like this. This procedure make tofu firmer and keep the shape. It doesn't get squashed that easily anymore. If you care about diet, you can use the oven to make tofu firm. Maybe next time I can show you the way how to do it. Anyway, after frying both sides of tofu, add the vegetables on top, sprinkle them like this. And put the sauce on top like this. And leave it until it starts to boil. After start to boil like this, leave it for a while, 2 or 3 minutes. After then, turn it down the stove into medium-low. While it's boiling, just put some sauce on top from time to time to give the flavor to the top part too. Soon after, the sauce will get reduced like this, and I think this is almost done. There's still some sauce left, but it's okay. It keeps the tofu moisture. Well, it's finished. I sprinkled some sesame on top. 맛있게 드세요. It's a simple snack, and the ingredients are simple too. Anyway, you can put any other ingredients you like when you cook. And maybe next time I can show you another kind of tofu recipe, like dubu or dubu. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any comment will be welcome. See you next time.